This week's lineup is wild. China just deployed a humanoid robot for police patrol. Meanwhile, XPENG dropped jaws at Auto Shanghai with a lifelike android. Abacus AI released a tool that builds entire apps with a single prompt, and Tesla is quietly mass-producing Optimus bots. Oh, and Chery's now got robot salespeople. Meta launched a cross-device AI assistant, and Huawei might finally be ready to challenge NVIDIA. Let's dive in. The streets of Shenzhen, where Engine AI's PM01 has officially become China's first humanoid police sidekick. Standing at just over 4.5 feet and weighing 88 pounds, this bot wears a high-vis vest just like its human patrol partners. What makes it stand out? Its agility. With a waist that rotates 320 degrees, PM01 can scan large crowds without taking a single step. And it's no slouch. Just last month, it nailed a front flip that went viral across Chinese social media. Inside the shell are high-grade actuators, a computer vision system that can ID faces and license plates, and dual-language voice recognition for Mandarin and Cantonese. Engine AI is already selling business and education versions for around $12,000, cheaper than Unitree's more athletic G1 robot. For now, it's greeting tourists and helping lost kids, but officials say it can instantly relay suspicious activity straight to the command center. This is all part of China's broader strategy to integrate robotics into public safety. Last year, they tested the RTG, a round robot that cruises over land or water at 35 kilometers per hour and can survive a 4-ton impact. Meanwhile, Deep Robotics has legged robots that scramble up stairs and detect fires with thermal imaging before first responders even suit up. But PM01 is the first to offer all that in a full humanoid form, and at a price that cities can actually afford. While PM01 keeps things in check down south, Auto Shanghai 2025 up north turned into a full-blown robot runway. Center stage, Xpeng's new humanoid, Iron. Standing 5 feet 8 inches and weighing 154 pounds, it's engineered to blur the line between service robots and autonomous vehicles. This android has 60 joints across its body, offering a whopping 200 degrees of freedom, including 22 in each hand. That means Iron can thread a needle or tap a touchscreen without looking like a clunky puppet. And it's powered by XPENG's own Turing AI chip, capable of 3 quadrillion operations per second, the kind of power you'd expect from a server. Even cooler? It runs the same cockpit AI that XPENG uses in its electric cars. So yeah, your future robot butler and your future sedan might run on the same brain. XPENG calls this its AI tech tree, a unified software ecosystem connecting EVs, humanoids, and even flying taxis. In live demos, Iron gave smooth Mandarin responses, gently bumped fists with attendees, and picked up a fragile porcelain cup without breaking it. It's a small gesture, but a massive leap in robotic precision. Now let's take a break from hardware and head into the software space, because Abacus AI just upgraded its DeepAgent platform. This new Pro tier can do in minutes what used to take entire teams' days. For just $10 more, you can now drop a single prompt like create a customer database, pull sales numbers from Google Drive, build a live dashboard, and ping finance if revenue dips. Boom, it's done before your coffee cools. DeepAgent spins up a Postgres instance, writes the database schema from plain English, loads in your CSVs, and keeps the data synced in real time. It also grabs a domain, sets up SSL, builds a front end, and connects live charts to Slack, so your team sees real-time numbers without lifting a finger. Need visuals for a report? Just describe the style, modern EV market overview in cool blues, and the built-in image generator drops custom graphics right into your doc. Since this sits on top of its browser, Gmail, Jira, and slide tools, you can now chain actions like scrape competitor prices, update the database, rebuild the dashboard, email the deck, all in one go. Tasks that used to devour your weekend now feel like ordering takeout. You ask, it delivers. You get the credit. And this couldn't come at a better time because the humanoid robot race is accelerating. Elon Musk just posted a new video of Tesla's Optimus walking with a shockingly human gait. finally shaking off the stepped on a Lego vibe. Musk says Tesla will be producing 10,000 Optimus units by Christmas and even envisions a future where robots outnumber humans. Each Optimus pulls tech from Tesla's EVs, battery modules from the Model Y, drive motors scaled from the Plaid, and the same FSD computer for perception. The logic? If you can mass-produce cars, you can mass-produce androids. Not to be outdone, Chinese automaker Chery is staffing its Malaysian showrooms with its own humanoid, AMOGA. Short for Artificial Intelligence with Multi-Objective Genetic Algorithm. Yeah, it's a mouthful. AMOGA wears a silicone face and long blonde hair to smooth out the uncanny valley effect. It's got 41 degrees of freedom, 12 in each hand, and glides around at a full meter per second. With 5 sensor arrays, it can dodge obstacles within a centimeter, and thanks to DeepSeek models, it chats fluently in 10 languages, pitching car features, minus the pushy human sales vibe. Chery calls it a human-like motion library, and from the videos, the gestures are surprisingly smooth and natural. From showrooms to job sites, California's Rake Robotics is thinking way bigger. Their upcoming Zyrex robot stands 20 feet tall and is built for serious heavy lifting. It'll handle welding, carpentry, and large-scale 3D concrete printing. The prototype is expected in early 2026. Reich's goal? Solve 2 major issues: a shortage of nearly 500,000 skilled construction workers in the US next year, over 1,000 fatal injuries in the industry in 2023, more than any other field. Zyrex uses LiDAR and vision language action models to match real-time sensor data with BIM blueprints. That means fewer errors, and fewer humans in dangerous zones. At under $1 million to buy, or $20,000 per month to lease, it costs about the same as hiring a small crew. Of course, all these robots need serious computing power,